Okay, Lady Ada, let's do this thing. It is new product time. Here we go. First up, Eagle, 3 users. Standard. So if you want to get Eagle for your organization, you can buy it through us. We have the easiest way to get Eagle CAD.
This version has, we already carried the standard Eagle CAD with schematic capture and board layout. The new version that we just added is schematic, layout, and auto router. Now, personally, not a big auto router fan, but that said, some people want the auto router. You want to spend another couple $100, get the auto router?
Yeah.
Go to town. It's available. This is the product you want.
Okay, what's this, Lady Ada?
These are, this one and the next one are, these are actually cute. They're SMT component strip tape holders. And we have these books, which I'll show, can you go to main or overhead? Yeah. I'll show this specials book. Okay. So we have these blank books that have pages in them. And then if you have like strips of components, this is like an empty strip, but like let's say it had components in it, you can, oh wait, sorry, got the other way around. You can, hold on, there you go. Hold on. Okay, you can slide 8mm strip into here, and we also have a page in the back that is for 24mm or so strips, so you can have like really big components. Like this one is empty, but like let's say it had chips in it. Maybe I have an example of chips here somewhere. Second. The new products hit me fast. I wasn't as ready as I'd like. Okay, so if you have like big chips like this TQFP, like 88 or whatever. So yeah, you can fit this in here, and now you have like your SMT stuff in a book. But some people were saying, hey, I've got the book, this book, and I want more pages. We now have just the pages, so you just want like more of the thin strip pages, 8mm, and we also have packets of the wide 24mm or thinner. So if you have like the common resistors and capacitors, they're 8mm. If you have anything else that's larger than just like a little mini chip, you probably want the big pockets. And then there's even some like note paper here. Okay. So we sell the book, and now we have the pages. So
okay,
we got everything.
Next up, this looks like something for maybe a pi hat.
That's a pi hat connector.
Pi hat connector.
Yes.
It must mean we're gonna have some pi hat soon.
We're gonna get pi hat soon.
Okay.
We're getting there. This one is the through hole. Hold on.
Okay.
I was not prepared.
You're not prepared?
I was not prepared.
All
Sorry.
right.
Hold
you
on.
got some things you got to do.
Yeah, things happen fast. Oh no,
yeah.
Where is the connector? Of course it's black, and it's in a black box, so I'm never gonna find it. Unless I. Okay, well I'll just talk about it.
I have a great photo.
Let's look at the great photo, because I don't know where it went.
Okay.
It fell or something. It's a through-hole short connector. This connector allows you can solder to like a hat and then plug it onto a Raspberry Pi model A+ or B+. I can show it on the overhead with this surface mount version.
Okay.
It's not the through-hole version surface mount. So yeah, you have the Pi hat connector, and then this thing plugs onto here. Yay! And then you can snap it in. And if you have like a Pi hat, like a PCB, it lets you plug it in, and it's a thin style. It's shorter than usual. So if you want to save space, save some space.
All right, let's keep going. Next up.
I'm sure I'll find that Pi hat connector.
This is, besides you, the star of the show. One of the stars of the show tonight. This is the new Raspberry Pi Model A+ Pi case.
This is a Phil B. I found the connector. This is a Phil B. project. Painter Dragon, who did our really beautiful B+ case, has come around again and made an A+ case. We got him an A+ a week ago, and he quickly whipped up a super adorable case. Yeah. It still has, you can put the GPIO cable in it. It also has the flippy up connect. Do you have can you go to the flippy?
Yeah, I got that going on.
You can flip up the top, which is like super adorable, and I'll show it on the overhead. You can put hats on it. So this is, hold on. Let me zoom in.
You're working on hats.
I'm working on some hats. So I took the top off so I could easily remove hats. But, hold on. The only thing is you have to kind of wedge the hat out because it's exactly the same size as the Model A+.
Oh, getting it out is harder.
I'm actually going to just take
take it apart.
Well, I take the side screw out. Hold on. And then, hold on. Okay, I'm just gonna take this apart.
And this is the upcoming GPS hat, but you're showing that it can fit a hat while it's inside.
I know, but I have to like take it out. It's like,
you
there
really
you go.
got it. Yeah, you wedge it in there.
It's 40
secure.
pins.
It's 40 pins.
It's 40 pins. But like we also have like a unicorn hat from Pimeroni, so you can fit that on top. Snap it in, and then if you want to remove it, you have to take out the side. And then you can also assemble it with or without the top. So like right now I don't have it with the top on, but I can also make sure I get this right. This connects into here. Hold on. So this is the snappy top. So hold on one second. I'm going to put one screw in here. And it's like made out of clear acrylic, and you have to put it together. It only takes a couple minutes, though. Okay. So yeah, now we have the snappy top, so you can lift the top in case you want to reach something like a hat connector inside, or you can close it. And it's like super compact, and yeah, it fits like a hat perfectly. So this is actually a really a fun project with the unicorn hat, because you can see it through, like it's really bright, but you can see it through the body. And oh, it's got like this little nub so you can pop the micro SD in and out, which I really like. And it's just really compact and super simple to use. And I think it's one of the only A+ cases available right now. The A+ is really new.
Speaking of, we have another A+ case.
We have another A+.
We call it the Pie Protector. And this is a very slim, cool case that keeps the Model A+ safe and secure.
It's just a protector. Yeah, it's like when you don't, because the A+ is so skinny that we thought there might be situations where you want to have the A+ where you want to use it, but you don't want the big bulky case. Also, it's less expensive because it's less plastic. And Phil B even etched the pin out on the top, so you can, like, if you want to use direct cables. I have it here. And
check this out. You can put it in your pocket.
Well, everyone was like, "Oh, it's a pie protector, like a pocket protector."
Yeah.
So you have to get like the scientist coat out and like make it look like a pocket size. It is pocket sized.
Yeah, it's super cool.
You can put it in your pocket and protect your pocket and protect your pie.
Okay, so I'll go to the overhead.
Yeah, I'll show it off on the overhead. This one's easier because you have the pins and then a notch. So if you want to plug in the GPIO cable, it's actually kind of nice because you can't plug it in backwards because there's a notch in the way. And then it's a little hard to see because of the lighting, but you can see the pin numbers here if you want to know what the pin out is. There's these nubbins that protect the micro USB, so when you have, I'll demonstrate what these nubbins are because they're kind of interesting. If you have a micro USB plugged in, it keeps it from getting bumped by accident and popping out, because otherwise you might accidentally hit it and it pops out. So these little nubbins just protect it from bumping out. And then it's super slim, and then the nice thing is that you can just plug hats on top if you like. I mean, there's slots for display and camera connector, so you can definitely get to those.
Okay.
But then if you want to plug a hat on top, it's actually kind of nice because you get this really compact setup. It's protected, but you have like little top hat.
Okay. So that's
also from Phil B.
That's it. Those are the new products.
Yeah, it was short and sweet.